Each year, FABTECH brings together thousands of people across metalworking, fabrication, and manufacturing, all under one roof to share ideas, explore new tech, and get hands-on with what's next. This year, we were proud to be part of the show, with 2 booths, a full lineup of machines, and a chance to connect with some of the best in the business. We had a blast welcoming folks into our space, answering questions, and showing off a few things we're genuinely excited about. One of our booths was dedicated entirely to Siegmund, showcasing their full range of welding tables and fixturing systems. Take a look at the Siegmund welding tables at FABTECH 2025.
This equipment looks absolutely unreal in person. This is our FABTECH 2025 booth here at Quantum Machinery Group. A lot of cool stuff going on here. You're gonna see a lot of fabricating tables at this show, but I promise you, Quantum Machinery Group is providing the top-notch products in the industry. We got different displays of accessory tables going on. You can do anything you want in the fabricating industry with these kind of accessories. We got positioners, both manual, automatic. We got Pete the Dragon over there. That's really cool. Imagine what you could do with these kind of tables, and that is an example. We got NASCAR chassis, or even if you want to just come hang out. We're over here, we're waiting for you guys, and come ask us tons of questions.
Across the hall, our second booth focused on fabrication in motion. Here we highlighted some of our core equipment, a full lineup from Nargesa. Made in Spain, these machines are designed for forming, bending, twisting, and forging, and they've become a go-to solution for fabricators looking for reliability and versatility. Here's a walkthrough of the booth so you can see the lineup for yourself, and across from the machines, we set up a full selection of MACC cold saws and band saws.
FABTECH 2025 has been great for us. We've been showing the Nargesa press brake. This is a 180-ton press brake. It's a 10-foot by 180. And we have the PP200 horizontal press. It's a 20-ton press. Comes with a standard set of dies there. We have the MC650, which is a roll bender, again, made by Nargesa. Basic to full CNC machine. The MC150, another roll bender, CC60, rotary bender. We have the MT500. So Nargesa makes a wide variety of ornamental machines. So in this case here, we have the MT500, the 150, we have power hammers. Let me show you the power hammer here. Hopefully a great machine to have if you're in the ornamental industry. The newest machine we have is the MS20, which is a laser welder. This laser welder has had a lot of requests. Definitely a machine that you should have in your shop. Going from there, we have the Siegmund welding tables. So we have a 3x4 welding table. It's a bundle. We have a 4x8 System 28. We also have another 5x5 System 16 table here. We also have the MACC cold saws from the 12-inch to the 14-inch. We have manual, semi-automatic, fully automatic, along with the band saws. So we have semi-auto band saws and fully auto band saws.
Built in Italy, MACC is known for precision, durability, and consistency, whether you're cutting stainless, aluminum, or heavy structural steel. These machines are all about clean, repeatable results, and they drew steady attention throughout the week. Let's take a closer look at the lineup.
We've got the MACC machines on show here. We have a general, conventional, manual chop saws, cold saws, through to semi-automatic machines in the cold saw range. Larger capacity, 12-inch, 14-inch, 14-inch, through into the band sawing machines. Double miter, so this will swing left and right. Starting from the 335 that's on show, but we do have small machines as well that are available. Down to the new machine that we've launched, which is the special 415 DI, which is the baby sister of the 650 and the 420. If you're running through here, 650 DI, this is the double miter machine, 18-inch capacity on this machine. So quite a large machine, very small footprint. So if you've got a small shop that you need to get a large capacity machine, this will be ideal for you. We've also got the fully automatic left and right miter. This is CNC control with a touch screen. This is the 10-inch screen on this particular machine. This will be miter left and right, 45 degrees, automatic rotation, auto feed, and a movable vise left and right hydraulically. Then we have the circular saw, which is a -45, +45. This is still using the same technology as these, so everything's integral to all the machines across within the automatic range using the touchscreen. Easily controllable. Everything within one screen on an automatic page. You can program this. You know, if I can do it, anyone can do it.
And because we love a good project, we brought along a couple static showpieces, just for fun.
This is one of the coolest things at FABTECH 2025. We're Quantum Machinery Group. We got everything you can think on this thing. Made out of a bunch of car parts. We got clutches, oil pans, all these gears everywhere, probably a propane tank. The guy that made this threw everything on there. So come on down, get a picture with it. Take a look at our tables, our machines. We got roll benders, press brakes, cold saws, anything you need, we got it.
The robot and the forged dragon both turned some heads and sparked some great conversations about process, capability, and craftsmanship. We also got the chance to highlight partners like THG, who've integrated Siegmund tables into their workflow and continue to push their own capabilities forward.
Hey, Matt with THG Automation here. This is the new UR8 from Universal Robot. It's a 5x10 table. This has been a really popular setup for our customers. They love this. The great thing about the Siegmund tables that Quantum sells is we can really kind of mix and match where we mount this stuff on the tables. You got all these holes and these accessories that you have access to. So this is an awesome setup so that customers can have a wide variety of welding solutions for whatever mix and match applications they're wanting to work on. Really easy to move stuff around and reattach. Really solid stuff. Here's just kind of an example of all the different pieces that come standard with our tables. So brackets, stops, quick clamps, over the center clamps. We enjoy the flexibility that we get and the breadth of items that we can buy from Quantum in that Siegmund brand solution.
All in all, FABTECH 2025 gave us a great opportunity to connect with fabricators from across the country, share some tools we believe in, and catch up with customers and partners in person. If we missed you at the show, you can always find us at quantummachinery.com or stop by our Mooresville, North Carolina headquarters and see everything in action. A special thanks to everyone who stopped by, and we can't wait to see you next time.
Quantum Machinery has you covered when it comes to premium metalworking equipment. From press brakes, shears, and ironworkers to welding tables and fixturing accessories, laser welders, roll benders, and cold saws. We also offer horizontal presses, ornamental machinery, rotary benders, custom tooling, and more. Explore the full lineup at quantummachinery.com.